Using the water tanks in your California 6.1 is simple to do. The freshwater top-up is located on the outside of the vehicle on the back left. To open the water cap, you'll need to use the key on the vehicle fob. This is different to the main vehicle key. Once open, top up with the water required. 25 litres is the maximum the tank can hold. Replace the cap and secure back in place using the same key. Your water tap is now ready to use. When your dirty water container needs to be emptied, place a bucket under the outlet which is located under the vehicle, just in front of the rear left-hand wheel. Under the sink area, you'll find a red lever. Turn it 90 degrees anti-clockwise and it will release the water from your dirty water tank. If you're on a camping site, there may be a dirty water drop-off point which you can pull your California up to. When you're done, remember to turn the lever under the sink back to its original position. If you need to empty or refresh the freshwater tank, open the left-hand side cupboards in the rear of your California and remove the shelves. Then remove the plastic bottom and locate the red handle in the left-hand corner. Turn the handle and the water will again empty under the vehicle. Once complete, turn the valve back to its original position and replace the shelves. You can also monitor both water tank levels at any time using the control panel in the front.